Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm here with another video tutorial on how to add full photo on Instagram as a post. So let's get started. First, tap on Instagram app, and once your Instagram is open, tap on this plus icon right here on the top of Instagram. Tap here, tap on post. Now your gallery will show up. You can select any photo that you like to post. Suppose I'm just gonna go with this one. So here you can tap here to post it like this, or you can tap here again to post as full image, so and adjust however you like. Okay, so next tap on this blue arrow right here on the top. Tap here. So now you can add any filters you like on the picture. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with normal one. Tap on this blue arrow again right here. Tap here. Now next you can write a caption. If you don't want to write caption, that's fine, totally fine. So if you don't want to write any caption, just keep tapping on this blue tick right here on the top. Tap here, and now your full photo is posted on your Instagram account. So guys, this was very easy tutorial. I hope you guys understand this video tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.